Imagine discovering gadgets that instantly simplify your life, making everyday tasks faster, easier, and more fun. In this video, we've handpicked 20 must-have Amazon gadgets you wish you knew about sooner, from brilliant kitchen tools to game-changing tech. Get ready for some serious wow moments. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss this. Maximize your space with this slim rolling utility cart, a genius solution for tight corners and small areas, designed to glide effortlessly into narrow spaces. This multi-tier cart is perfect for organizing kitchen essentials, bathroom supplies, or office items. Its durable wheels and sturdy build make storage a breeze. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to effortless organization. This portable collapsible stool is the ultimate space-saving seating solution, designed for durability and convenience. It expands in seconds and folds down compactly, making it perfect for camping, travel, or extra seating at home. With its lightweight yet sturdy build, you can take it anywhere effortlessly. Stay comfortable wherever you go. Maximize your space with this vertical narrow shoe rack, designed to keep your footwear organized without taking up much room. Perfect for small apartments, entryways, or closets. Its slim and tall design allows you to store multiple pairs while keeping them easily accessible. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to smart storage. Make perfect homemade ravioli effortlessly with this ravioli maker mold, designed for convenience. It helps you create uniform, restaurant-quality ravioli in no time. Just place your dough, add your favorite filling, and press for a perfect seal. Whether you're a pasta lover or a home chef, this tool makes cooking fun, quick, and mess-free. Upgrade your peeling game with this peeler with a built-in trash can. No more messy kitchen counters. This smart tool catches peels as you go, keeping your workspace clean. Its sharp stainless steel blade glides through fruits and veggies effortlessly, while the attached container makes disposal quick and hassle-free. Perfect for home cooks who love efficiency. This 2-in-1 peeler is a must-have for a tidier, smoother cooking experience. Say goodbye to stubborn dirt with this 2-in-1 groove cleaning brush, designed for effortless deep cleaning. It features a narrow, stiff bristle brush to scrub away grime from window tracks, keyboard gaps, and tight corners. The built-in scraper easily removes stuck-on debris, making cleaning quick and hassle-free. Compact and easy to use, this tool is a must-have for a sparkling clean home. Maximize your space with this versatile sofa-cum-bed, perfect for small apartments, guest rooms, or cozy lounges. It effortlessly transforms from a stylish sofa into a comfortable bed in seconds. Designed for ultimate comfort and durability, it features plush cushioning and a sturdy frame. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a movie night, this multifunctional furniture piece ensures both style and convenience. Upgrade your living space with this space-saving essential. Maximize your closet space with this space-saving pants hanger, designed to hold multiple pairs of trousers in an organized and wrinkle-free manner. It features a sturdy, non-slip design that keeps your clothes secure. The foldable, swing arm design allows easy access while saving space. Perfect for small closets. This hanger ensures a neat and clutter-free wardrobe. Keep your windows spotless with this magnetic double-sided glass cleaner wiper, designed for double-glazed windows. It features strong magnets that keep both sides in sync, allowing you to clean efficiently from indoors. The ergonomic grip and microfiber pads ensure streak-free shine, making window cleaning quick, safe, and effortless, even for hard-to-reach areas. Blast away dirt and grime with this high-pressure electric washer, designed for deep cleaning driveways, cars, patios, and more. It delivers powerful water jets to tackle even the toughest stains. With adjustable nozzles and a compact design, this washer makes cleaning faster and more efficient, saving you time and effort on every job. This multi-purpose cleaner spray is your ultimate cleaning companion, formulated to cut through grease, grime, and stains effortlessly. It works on a variety of surfaces, including kitchen counters, glass, tiles, and more. With its quick drying and streak-free formula, your home stays spotless with minimal effort. Say goodbye to tough messes and hello to sparkling clean surfaces. Keep your little one close and comfortable with this baby sling carrier, designed for hands-free convenience. It provides ergonomic support for both baby and parent. Made from soft, breathable fabric, it ensures a snug and secure fit while evenly distributing weight. Perfect for bonding on the go, whether at home or outdoors. Make laundry and household cleaning effortless with this soap dispensing clothes cleaning brush, featuring a built-in soap reservoir. It allows you to dispense just the right amount of detergent with a simple press. The durable bristles effectively remove stains and dirt, while the ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, perfect for washing clothes, upholstery, and more. Keep your cleaning tools neatly organized with this self-adhesive mop and broom holder, designed for easy, drill-free installation. It features a strong adhesive backing that sticks securely to walls, tiles, or cabinets. The anti-slip grip holds mops, brooms, and other tools firmly in place, preventing clutter and saving space. Ideal for kitchens, bathrooms, or utility rooms. This durable and waterproof holder ensures your essentials are always within reach. Keep your space tidy with this hanging small trash can, perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or offices, designed to hook onto cabinet doors, countertops, or walls. It allows for easy disposal of waste while cooking or cleaning. Its compact yet spacious design saves floor space, and the swing lid or sliding cover helps contain odors, a must-have for effortless waste management. Enjoy a relaxing bath anywhere with this portable foldable bathtub, designed for small spaces. It easily expands for a full-body soak and folds away when not in use. Made from durable, insulated materials, it keeps water warm for longer, perfect for apartments, travel, or even outdoor use. Experience spa-like comfort wherever you go. Upgrade your kitchen with this versatile storage cabinet on wheels, designed for easy mobility. It offers spacious shelves and compartments to keep your essentials organized. The sturdy build and sleek design make it perfect for small kitchens, pantries, or dining areas. Effortlessly move it around and enjoy a clutter-free, efficient cooking space. Long drives just got more comfortable with this car headrest pillow, designed to provide neck and head support. It helps reduce strain and fatigue during road trips. The ergonomic memory foam design contours perfectly to your head, ensuring maximum comfort. Easily attachable to to any car seat. It's a must-have for stress-free travel. Maximize your balcony space with this expandable clothes drying rack. Designed for efficient air drying, it extends to accommodate more laundry and folds away when not in use. Made from durable, rust-resistant materials, it's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Say goodbye to cluttered laundry spaces and dry your clothes with ease. Travel light and pack smart with this foldable travel duffel bag. Designed for ultimate convenience, this spacious yet lightweight bag easily folds into a compact size when not in use. Perfect for last-minute packing, gym essentials, or as an extra carry-on. Its durable, water-resistant fabric ensures your belongings stay safe. Whether you're heading on a trip or need extra storage, this duffel bag is a must-have travel companion. And that wraps up our list of 20 must-have Amazon gadgets you wish you knew sooner. Which gadget caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing finds. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy shopping.